Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an airplane with the Rubik's Twist. So pretty much you're going to count, so take the first block and turn it twice. Alright, and then count 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks and turn the fifth one, so okay, actually hold it like this. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks and turn this way. Oh yeah, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks and turn this fifth one to the right, like this. Okay, so now you're going to just lay it like that. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn this fifth block twice. Count 1, and then turn everything else twice. Right, count 1, 2, 3, 4, turn it twice. 1, 2, 3, turn it twice. 1, turn it twice. And it's not going to match up, but now it's going to be matched up. So 1, 2, and then turn it twice. Okay, so and then take the last 3 blocks and turn them up. And there you go, you have an airplane. Well, this, to me, it looks more like a bird, but I mean, I don't know. So either a bird or an airplane. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And bye, see you in my next video.